For those asking how I analyze this BTC, these movements, and yeah, here is the results. So I think I took the trade. I didn't took the trade, but I for tested it on my trading field. I did not took the trade. I think here we are. So I just follow my normal directional bias and on this. So here is the trade. This particular trade. So some people are asking me how I analyze the trade, and this is FOMC. The thing wants to go bullish first, but later come bearish. So yesterday FOMC, but this trade I think it's 20 RR, 20 RR. So here is how I analyze the markets from my directional bias, in which I used to use daily, majorly daily, majorly daily, mostly sometimes 4 hour, but majorly my directional bias is daily. So after I see that markets might want to react from this other block here on a daily time frame, because this other block cause the shifts in this trend, this bearish trend. So that other block caused a shift in this trend. Sorry. So I waited for the market to react from there. After market taps into that other block, so I just jumped down to a minimal time frame, which is 4 hour, waiting for my shift in the structure. That is the last high that the market formed before reaching that side. That last high, then that's what I will use as my this thing, shift in structure. And if you can check where the last high that the market formed is here, and then there's a shift here. So it remains 2 PUI to be used, whether to use this breaker or other block, or just mark everything directly. So after the shift of this last high, after the shift in structure of this area, so the first pullback that the market make before coming to our PUI is what? Is our liquidity, just as usual. So this is our liquidity area. The market taps in and continue buying like that. This is what I use there, and it continue buying like that. So, and for this entry here, there is something we call QMR. I think many will remember it. Then market broke down side, just go up, then to the QMR level. This QMR level, Quasimodo range. So that's what I use here. So since I've known that the market is going bullish, though my limitation on that bullish is here, because I'm expecting whether the market will break this and BTC will continue bullish, or it will just be like dipping. And when market reached there, market started dip, it started coming bearish. So this is my target for the buy. And if the market, I was expecting the market to break up, it is either to will break up and continue bullish, or reject the area and become bearish. So I think the market is going bearish. The market is going bearish. So that particular entry, coming to my 2 hour, you can use 1 hour time frame, you can use 2 hour time frame. It depends on the one you like to be using. But let's use, many people used to use 1 hour, so let's use 1 hour. So after market has tapped here already and that started buying, so just look for a double break or structure. You can see there's a level here, market break it, first break or structure, and then we have our what, our second break or structure here. This earlier one, yeah, this one first break or structure, this one second break or structure. Let me zoom in. First break or structure, second break or structure. Then this thing, the immediate pullback that the market make after a break in structure or shift in structure is what, is our liquidity, and which is here, the liquidity is here. Many will see it, but the liquidity is there. You can see this is the candle that break the structure here, this candle, and then this week is a pullback, the first pullback that the market make, this week, and that's our liquidity. Then what else to use? We cannot use the breaker here, we cannot use the breaker here, so we are only, the only option left now is to use the other block here, and that's what I use to set up this trade. And many people are selling on X these days, yeah. So but I keep buying, like the thing we buy up to here. So and we do what, it actually buy, like it actually bought to this area, and now it has started going bearish. So what left on BTC now is bearish movement, and probably BTC might decided to go bearish up to 75 or 74. It might decide to go bearish up to this 74. It might decide to go to the for this and then come to this area, whether to use the other block here or the breaker block here. So if this does not hold, so that means this is coming to something like 74 or 75 sha. So this is just my view on BTC.